Wayipheka, wayidla, wayidla. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, wayidla, asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, there was a mother. Her name hasn't been released yet. We will call her Satani. Understand ukuthi she gave birth to a beautiful baby. Everything was great. She was a mother. She was happy. Satan. A few months after becoming a mother, there was a problem. Satan realized ukuthi Ngwana was always crying and she couldn't handle it. Ngwana was always crying. She tried everything, but Ngwana was always crying. Ngwana was either sleeping, playing, eating or crying, and she was angry. She couldn't handle it. One day she snapped. She couldn't take it anymore. Ngwana was always crying and Satan, all she wanted was peace. And so she had an idea. She wanted to go take Ngwana from the bed. And then she took Ngwana and she held on and she squeezed. She squeezed and squeezed and squeezed until Ngwana. After doing that to Ngwana, she still felt ukuthi it wasn't enough. So she went back to the kitchen to go grab ibhodwe. She then took the special thing, put it Ngwana in the bhodwe, and then she decided to cook. At first, she just wanted to taste izandla. So she cooked and cooked until kwavuthwa and then wadla. She decided that wasn't enough and then she did it again. She cooked and she ate. Let's go back as well move to the very beginning. Understand ukuthi this all occurred weighing on the Central Coast in New South Wales, Australia. Understand ukuthi on Saturday, ngomhla 4 July 2026, a 32-year-old woman walked into a weighing police station and then she decided to have a conversation with amaphoyisa. Understand ukuthi during the conversation, amaphoyisa then realized ukuthi no man, she left Ngwana on a 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they decided, no man, let's accompany you back to your house at Brayton Street, where they walked with Usatani back into the house. Then they discovered they saw a lot. They saw a lot in Aparati, and immediately they decided to say, nope, bayambopha Usatani and do an investigation. Now, this is what amaphoyisa said. Understand what the police said that Ngwana had injuries. They would not publicly describe the injuries of the Ngwana. Understand you could I'm a specialist, a homicide detective joined the investigation. A full forensic investigation was done on the unaliving of Ngwana. Indlela ahlanya ngayo after eating Ngwana, she went to a police station. I don't think Ubeyo reported to Wenzin. I think she was just going to check if anyone noticed ukuthi Ngwana is not living anymore. I don't know who to be cabangani police station. But as of right now, there is a huge investigation. People want to know what happened to Ngwana. Neighbors are being asked, family members are being asked. Everyone who knows that Ngwana existed is being investigated. And understand what even experienced officers found their scene traumatic. Even abantu who work for the ambulance requested welfare. They requested to talk with a therapist after what they saw. Kuloyamus. Usatane uyidlile Ngwana. Uyiphekile uyi-analyzile, wayipheka, wayidla. Kwasala amathambo were discovered. Amathambo.